Welcome one and all to BDM International School. Children, we are indeed sorry to say that we cannot welcome you physically because of COVID. But at the same time, let me assure you that we are looking forward to your presence in the school premises. I don't think I need to give a lot of details about BDM International. The reason being, you have selected the school only because you have seen the infrastructure and the beautiful playgrounds that we have. And of course, in days to come, the labs that you will use, they are also wonderful. I am sure, children, that we are all looking forward in the same manner that the children used to play around, and there was so much of noise in and around the school with the giggles and smiles of all our wonderful children. Last but not the least, let me tell you, children, that the teachers here are great warriors. During COVID also, children, you all have been taken care of by your teachers, and I can assure you that even if we do not have the physical classes right away, our teachers will definitely see to it that you don't lag behind. BDM International is a CBSE co-educational English medium school where you would love to stay, enjoy in days to come. So once again, waiting for the state government or the central government directives where they would give us the direction to start the school. We are looking forward to it, and let me tell you that we have been in the educational arena for a long time, and so our teachers here are also very experienced and empathetic and loving towards all of you. So rest assured, looking forward to meet you all once the physical classes start. We will have a lot of activities in school where you will be able to see the videos. We will be showing it to you where you can see what all lovely activities the children here are doing, and I'm sure you will also be a part of it in days to come. Thank you and welcome to BDM International.
Hello all, welcome to the BDMI family. Today we are here to discuss about how the classes will be held in the pre-primary unit, which has classes toddler, prep and KG. Parents, we shall have online classes now and shall discuss about how the classes will be held till the physical classes begin. Before the summer vacation, we have 5 weeks. So, the first week there will be interactive sessions with small group of 3 to 4 children for maybe 20 minutes each, so that the children come to know their teachers, they come to know their friends, to help them know each other, to know their teachers. So, there will be 5 groups per day, and each child will get 3 sessions in the first week, including the activity day, which is on Thursdays. The second and third week, the number of children will increase from 3 to 6, and each child will get 3 sessions per week, including the activity days. In the fourth and fifth week, the number of children will again increase from 6 to 12 children, and they'll be having classes in 3 slots. So each child will get a class every day. So this is how we have the online classes. The child gets a class from Monday to Friday. Parents, it may happen that your child refuses to sit in front of the mobile or the laptop. The child refuses to answer the teacher. Maybe the child wants to play. So my request is not to worry. Please allow the child to listen to the teacher. Let the child play, but please allow the child to listen. In some time, you will find that the child will get attracted towards the class. By now, I think you have got your groups, your WhatsApp groups, and the teachers will be coordinating with you in the group, and you will be getting the class links there. And any problem that you face, kindly write in the groups so that myself and the teachers, they help you out. Now the class timings for the online sessions. This is only for the online sessions. The class will start at 8:30 to 9:15. That is Group A. Group B will have from 9:30 to 10:15, and Group C will have from 10:30 to 11:15. Parents, please see that the children wear the school uniform while having their classes. Thursdays are activity days, so they should be wearing their ECA uniforms on Thursdays. Thursdays are activity days. Children don't have any studies on that day, but they do the activities. So, for the activities, the teachers will be giving you the list of materials needed for that particular class well in advance. So, please keep the materials ready while they do the activities. Talking about the exercise books, as of now, it is better that you have one exercise book per subject, which should be of 96 pages. Prep children may have a 96 pages exercise book for English and another one for numbers. The KG students should be having 3 exercise books. One for English, which should be 96 pages, one for numbers, 96 pages, and one for Hindi or Bengali, which should be 96 pages. Prep children need big square exercise books for their numbers, and KG need smaller squares. So kindly note while buying the exercise books, the squares should be slightly bigger in class prep. We have PTMs at regular basis. Every month has a PTM. There should not be any difficulty, parents. And in case you have any query, do write in the class group so that we can help you. Let us start the new session virtually from 5th of April till we meet again physically in the school. Thank you.
Dear parents, welcome to BDMI family. Our new session for session 21-22 will commence from 5th of April 2021.
Please note you have been given a receipt, this is a yellow color account receipt from the accounts department, which is very important and a crucial document for you, valid till class 12. You have 5,000 rupee caution money component to that, which is refundable once you can provide that receipt when your child finally exits from the system. Okay. Please note you have been provided with a vendor cards for purchasing the books and dresses. If you have not purchased it yet, please do so. You will be guided by the respective class teacher. They may call you or try to contact you via your WhatsApp numbers, which has been given and by your filled up from your end in the school form. Okay. So this teachers will try to create their own section and henceforth try to interact with you. So if you find any call or any WhatsApp invite, do accept that, and henceforth teacher will guide you across. Please note we have a admission ID, which is an unique ID if given for each individual child, which is valid till class 12. So teachers will provide you that via your respective WhatsApp numbers when they interact with you post 5th of April. You have to go to BDMI app. Under the home page you will get a menu option. You have to click onto that. You will get documents, under which you will get the fees receipt. There you will be guided for every details from 3rd of April 2021. Similarly, from the school website, that is www.bdmi.org, right hand side top you will find an option fees payment BDMI. That will also become active for session 21-22 from 3rd of April 2021. Hope you have an inspiring journey with us. Thank you so much, so that we can make your child not only a good human being, a disciplined person with an overall good quality education, and hence bringing a holistic development in your child. Thank you once again.
Believing in togetherness, walking in togetherness, believing in togetherness, walking in togetherness. We move forward, we move forward, we move forward, we move forward. Believing in togetherness, walking in togetherness, believing in togetherness, walking in togetherness. We move forward, we move forward, we move forward, we move forward. With the students of BDM International, International, to see you reach the peak is our ever-cherished dream. To see you reach the peak is our ever-cherished dream. To make you proud in every way, we toil as one big team with the students of BDM International, International. Here we learn the lessons of love, respect and care. Here we learn to do what others often do not dare. Here we learn the lessons of love, respect and care. Here we learn to do what others often do not dare. Too much forward, undaunted, to see our world has spread. Too much forward, undaunted, to see our world has spread. To make our world a living space where good things we may share. To make our world a living space where good things we may share. With the students of BDM International, International, believing in togetherness, walking in togetherness, believing in togetherness, walking in togetherness. We move forward, we move forward,